So I've got quite a few comments and quite a few different messages saying that they tried to get this dashboard to work and they can't get it to work. So let me give you a quick rundown on how I set this up. This video is going to go all over the place, so kind of bear with me. Okay, so in pfsense, go to System, Package Manager, and then look under Available Packages. And you're going to want to install Filer and then Telegraph. Next, you're going to want to install version 1 of InfluxDB. You can get to it by this link right here. And if you scroll down, it's going to give you all the instructions that you need to install this. Pretty easy to install, it's just a few commands. And in order to have this run all the time, I'm going to set this up as a service. So in your Linux machine, create a new service under systemd system. If you want to pause this video, you can copy all this down. Once you have it saved, you're going to want to enable the service and then start the service. Next, we're going to move back over to pfsense, go over to services, and then look for Telegraph. And if we scroll down, you can see all the settings here. You can see that we have the URL of our Influx database, the credentials to log in. Right now, I just have the default credentials. And if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's additional configurations that you're going to want to add. If you go to this GitHub page, you can find all those configurations in here. Click on Config, Additional Config, and you're just going to copy all this and paste it in there. Once that's done, you can click Save. Now we're going to go back into pfsense, go down to Diagnostics, and then we're going to look for Filer. This is an easy way to create new files without having to go into the CLI. So we're going to create 4 new files on here, and you can find all of these files and configurations back on that GitHub page. Before I show you that, this is kind of what the configuration looks like. So if we go back to the GitHub page, you can go down to Plugins. And this is where you're going to find all those configurations that you need to add in Filer. So if we click on one of them, you can see one of the scripts that are in there. Now after that's done, you can go to the Grafana Labs page and find this dashboard, and you can copy the ID and import it into Grafana.